Window installation in Austin, Texas, is a crucial service for homeowners looking to enhance their property's energy efficiency and aesthetic appeal. With a focus on energy-efficient windows, Austin Window Installation Services provide a range of options, including double-pane windows and vinyl window replacement Wells Branch TX to suit every need and budget. For those in Wells Branch TX, custom window solutions are available to meet specific design and functionality requirements. Custom Windows Wells Branch, Texas, offer unique styles and features, ensuring that each installation complements the home's architecture and the homeowner's personal taste. Window replacement. Wells Branch TX services are essential for maintaining the integrity and performance of your windows, whether it's window leak replacement Austin or window frame replacement. Wells Branch TX. Professional window contractors Austin TX are equipped to handle all types of replacements, ensuring your windows remain in top condition. Energy-efficient windows. Austin are a popular choice for homeowners looking to reduce energy costs and improve comfort. These windows are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping homes cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter, making them an excellent investment for any property. Residential window upgrades in Wells Branch offer a variety of options, from window glass replacement to window hardware replacement. These upgrades not only enhance the appearance of your home, but also improve its functionality and energy efficiency. Window Sealing Austin, Texas is a critical service for preventing drafts and improving insulation. Proper sealing ensures that your windows are airtight, reducing energy loss and enhancing indoor comfort throughout the year. Window maintenance. Wells Branch is essential for prolonging the lifespan of your windows and ensuring they operate smoothly. Regular maintenance services include cleaning, lubrication, and inspection of window components to prevent issues before they arise. Window Design Consultation in Wells Branch, Texas, provides homeowners with expert advice on selecting the right window style options for their home. From traditional to contemporary designs, Window Replacement Wells Branch TX offers a wide range of choices to suit any architectural style. Window fitting experts in Austin TX ensure that every installation is performed with precision and care. With a focus on quality and customer satisfaction, Window Fitting Austin TX guarantees that your new windows will be installed correctly and efficiently. Window hardware. Wells Branch includes a variety of components, such as locks, handles, and hinges, that are essential for the proper operation of your windows. Replacing outdated or damaged hardware can improve security and functionality. Window Leak Replacement Austin addresses common issues such as water infiltration and air leaks. By identifying and replacing leaks promptly, homeowners can prevent further damage and maintain the energy efficiency of their windows. Window insulation Wells Branch TX is a key factor in reducing energy consumption and enhancing indoor comfort. Proper insulation helps to maintain a consistent indoor temperature, reducing the need for heating and cooling. Window Style Austin, Texas offers a diverse selection of designs to complement any home. From classic to modern styles, homeowners can choose windows that enhance their property's curb appeal and value. Window measurement services in Wells Branch ensure that every window installation is tailored to fit perfectly. Accurate measurements are crucial for achieving a seamless fit and optimal performance.